What's going on with the AMC? 4% down today and still pulling back. This is the first time we have a drastic pullback at the market open since back here on the 23rd of June, or almost 2 weeks ago. Now we have a 4% jump because we broke the 172 support. We got GameStop is way better than AMC because we don't have a pullback. Now is almost neutral and clearly near the resistance. So we have to discuss what is gonna happen and what's going on and when we gonna have another jump for both of them. Before we go further, remember our content always for educational purposes only. And let us start with AMC because AMC light on volume. If you remember, guys, before we got almost like 50 million, 100 million worth of volume, and we have a huge jump here, almost 100%, and again here 100%. And now we got a pullback, and the trigger for pullback, if you remember, about the offering and the price pulled back. The offering price was around the $2.10, and we pulled back around this level really quick. And now we got almost triple bottom around the 172, and now we kind of broke this level. So we got clearly a bit of weakness for AMC. So I'm watching for another dip right now, maybe over this level, the new level around the 149, and after that the 120. So we got a really critical zone right now for AMC to pull back or reverse or show us a bit of sign of strength around the $1.50, $1.49, because right now we got a pullback, really quick pullback around this support. The reason is because first the short seller entered on the news. It was really quick and easy short for AMC. And the second was around the $2.22. They added here, and now they added here again around this support breakdown. So now we have to watch for a few levels. First, the 149 and the reaction that we want to see. We want to see the same reaction that happened here once we tested the support over the 173 and reverse up like this. And the reversal should give us a nice jump like this, almost 30% jump. So if we jumped here or reverse, we need to have a reversal until almost the $2 or the 195. But the main level that we have to break is still around the $2.22, guys. This is by far the most critical zone for AMC to test and break over in order to confirm the reversal continuation and, of course, triggering the squeeze after that. For GameStop, on the other hand, still looking great. I like the reaction because even though the market was red, yesterday we pulled back a little bit and we reverse here on the 22.39. So we don't have a huge reversal here. At the market open, we pulled back 1%. And as you see, the market pulling back a lot larger for even blue chip companies, 7 and 6%. But for GameStop, we got a big buyer and the price reverse. And now it's kind of neutral. The reason is because we got near the resistance or the squeeze zone around the 23.68. And of course, we've got, I think we've still been triggered by the earnings back here because the earnings were just back in June, the 2nd of June. So it was almost 1 month ago. So it's still hot, and the market maker is still loading up. And the last load up it was on the end of June or 1 or 2 weeks ago. So that's why we didn't have a huge pullback, because the last place where the market maker bought it was just 2 weeks ago. Again, the second time after the huge earnings that we get for GameStop 1 month ago. So now we have to watch out for the 23.68, because if we broke it, we might have a squeeze toward the 26, 25, and this will give us 16 and maybe even 30% around the 28. And the major level for the squeeze is over the 35, for my opinion, around almost the $40 for a GameStop. if we squeeze, and of course, if we held the 2087, which is the bottom, and break the 2368 in coming days. And of course, we're going to discuss GameStop and AMC as usual, 15 minutes before the market open as usual on the live streaming that we do daily. And of course, after that, I know it's got ambition. As you can see here, we always do updates daily for those stocks, not just GameStop and AMC. Yesterday, we did for LHSW. And the other stock that did huge jump, it was S dot. After halted down, we warned our hunter around this resistance, the 84. And before that, it was even better for entry. Once we squeeze around the 70, we want to take a profit there. And before that, of course, here, once the price was around the 45 before going toward the 70. So we always do those updates before the squeeze, of course, because those stocks jump really quickly and then pull back really quickly. The market is crazy, guys, because if you don't have a plan, the market will eat all the gains. So that's why we always suggest for entry and exit very quick.